I'm going to show you how to zoom your video in PowerDirector mobile app. So let's get started. Open the app and then open your project. We got a clip here and you got few options how to do it. So first option is select the clip and all this toolbar down here. If you scroll all the way to the right, you will find pan and zoom. Click on it. And what you can do here is just go at the beginning of the clip, click on this custom. If you click on the start position, just tap on the screen and hold with two fingers, with two thumbs. Do it like this, okay? And end position will be the full image. I'm gonna confirm it. So this is one way how to zoom in your video. And it's pretty cool, I guess. And also you can do the opposite. So just click on custom and end of the video will be this position. I'm gonna confirm. I'm gonna play the clip. And here we go. This is how can you zoom out. So this is one option how to zoom in or zoom out. And now I'm going to show you how to do it with effects. So go on this toolbar here, click on effect, and under motion you will see zoom in or zoom out. I'm gonna click on zoom in and you can change the width and height ratio. So if I'm gonna change width ratio, I'm just gonna zoom in like this. Pretty much just simple zoom. And this is how can you guys zoom in, zoom out, or just zoom your video clip in PowerDirector mobile app. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you one clip later. Goodbye.